To open a Wells Fargo account, start by gathering the necessary documents, including a valid government-issued ID, social security number, and proof of address. You can apply online, by phone, or in person at a Wells Fargo branch. First, go to the Wells Fargo website and click on the Open an Account button. Select the type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account, and choose the specific account product that suits your needs. Next, fill out the online application form with your personal and financial information. You will need to provide your name, address, date of birth, and employment information. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of the account before submitting your application. If you prefer to apply by phone, call the Wells Fargo customer service number and speak with a representative who will guide you through the application process. They will ask for the same information as the online application, so be sure to have your documents ready. If you apply in person, visit a Wells Fargo branch and speak with a banker who will assist you with the application process. They will review the account options with you and help you complete the application. Once your application is submitted, Wells Fargo will review it and may request additional documentation to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to ensure the security of your account. After your account is approved, you will receive your account information, including your account number and routing number. You can then fund your account by transferring money from an existing account, depositing cash or checks, or setting up direct deposit. To manage your account, you can use the Wells Fargo online banking platform or mobile app. These tools allow you to check your account balance, pay bills, transfer money, and monitor your account activity. It is essential to keep your account information secure by creating a strong password and keeping your account details confidential. You should also set up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity. By following these steps, you can easily open a Wells Fargo account and start managing your finances effectively. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your account and take advantage of the online banking tools to get the most out of your account.